Hello, people. So, I have to say this just as I've uploaded a video just now. There is this very sweet person who's, it's called Minaz Ka Kitchen. And he or she was very kind enough to post a comment. So now I think I'm going to make it a mission for me to any of these nice YouTubers that I find, I'd like to make a short video on them and upload, because I think everybody needs that word of encouragement. And because on YouTube itself, yeah, there are some really good, like, I mean, see, when it comes to like cooking, there'll be so many cooking channels and all of that. So how does one differentiate that which one is the sort of channel one should subscribe to? So I think so I'm going to personally also really immediately subscribe. And Minas Ka Kitchen, I mean, the name itself, oh my god, I'm feeling hungry. So yeah, so do check it out, people. It's called Minas Ka Kitchen. And I'm personally in love with all these food channels. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.